In this video, you'll learn how to link within a Google Docs document. Internal links are really handy when you're working on longer documents like reports, manuals, essays, or meeting notes. They let you jump straight to a specific section, heading, or bookmarked spot with a single click, which makes your document much easier to navigate for you and anyone you share it with. We're going to keep this simple and focus on three core actions: highlighting the text you want to turn into a link, using a quick keyboard shortcut, and then choosing the heading or bookmark you want that link to point to. First, open your Google Doc and locate the text you'd like to turn into a link. This could be something like go to introduction, see conclusion, or jump to budget section. Take a moment to think about what will be most helpful for your readers. Clear, descriptive link text makes it obvious what they'll see when they click. Next, highlight that text. To do this, click at the beginning of the words you want, hold down your mouse button, and drag across until all the relevant text is selected. You'll know it's highlighted when the background of that text changes color, usually to a light blue or gray. If you accidentally select too much or too little, just release the mouse, click again, and drag one more time until it looks right. This highlighted text is what will become clickable. With your text still highlighted, use the keyboard shortcut to open the link dialog. On Windows and most Chromebooks, press Ctrl and K together. On a Mac, use Command and K. This is much faster than hunting for the link icon in the toolbar and is worth remembering if you create links often. When you press the shortcut, a small box will appear just below your selection. In that link box, Google Docs gives you a few options, but we're focusing on internal links, meaning links that stay within the same document. You should see a section that lists headings and bookmarks or something similar. If your document already has headings created using the built-in heading styles, such as heading 1 or heading 2, they'll appear in this list automatically. Take a moment to scan through the list and find the heading you want to link to. For example, if your text says go to methods, you'll want to choose the methods heading from the list. Click on that heading in the suggestions and you'll see the link box update to show that internal link. Then simply confirm the link by pressing enter or clicking the apply button. If you've set up bookmarks in your document, you'll also see those listed here. Bookmarks are useful when you want to link to a very specific spot that isn't a heading, like a particular paragraph or a table. The process is the same. Just choose the bookmark from the list and apply the link. Once you're done, click anywhere outside the text to deselect it. Now, when you hover over that linked text, you'll see the heading or bookmark it points to, and clicking it will jump you straight to that part of the document. That's all there is to it. Highlight your text, press Ctrl or Command plus K, and choose the heading or bookmark you want to link to.